Dear students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find out the mode and the median of the data. Data is given here. So in order to find out the mode, firstly and median, we have to arrange the data in the ascending order. So we have to arrange data in ascending order. Ascending order. So our data in the ascending order is 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 14, 16 and 19. Now we have to find out the mode and the median. We know that the mode is equals to the maximum occurring observation. Mode is equals to the maximum occurring observation. So from here what we can say that, see that 14 occurs 3 times, which is maximum here. So from here we can say that the mode of the data is equals to the 14. Now we have to find out the median. Median is equals to n plus 1 divided by the 2th observation. Median is equals to n plus 1 divided by the 2th observation. So here we are having total 9 observations. So 9 plus 1 divided by the 2th observation is our mean. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 divided by the 2th observation is our median. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our median is 5th observation. Now from our arrangement, 5th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 14. So from here we can say that the median is equals to 14. Our median is 14 and our mode is also 14. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.